How to fix always on display not working in Redmi Note 13. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and then click on wallpaper and personalization. And then click on always on display. Now here you can turn on always on display. After turning on always on display, then go back to your home screen and restart your device. For start your device, press and hold volume up button and power button at the same time like that. Now swipe up to power off your device and then turn back on. After that, turn off do not disturb mode. For turning off your do not disturb mode, swipe down to your control center and here you can turn off your do not disturb mode. After that, open settings and then click on about phone and click on Xiaomi Hyper OS. Now here you can check your software updates. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After that, go back and then scroll down and click on apps. And then click on manage apps. On top right corner you can see these three dots. Now click on it and then click on other settings. Now here you can see the option reset app preferences. Now click on it. Now here you can do reset apps. After reset the app preferences, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.